Hello guys, today we would like to introduce a high-performance electric city bike. This bike features a frame-integrated, locking battery, with Samsung's most advanced lithium-ion cells. The 48V13Ah battery has plenty of power and range. The large high-contrast colorful display delivers all important data at a glance. Its remote control is extremely robust, as well as easy and intuitive to us. The bike has a battery-integrated headlight and taillight which are directly controlled by the LCD display. The Shimano internal 8-speed transmits power between widely spaced shafts, and the belt drive transmission can make your ride easier. It also equipped with a 350 watts mid-drive motor. The powerful 80 Nm of torque and sensitive controls result in a user-friendly support characteristic. Thanks for watching our video. What was your favorite thing from the show? Let us know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to us, so you won't miss any of our future electric bike videos. We'll see you here next time.